Guys, I analyzed this particular asset yesterday and I posted the grand platform, and here is how it played out. Okay. I remember that it started from the support zone right here, okay, and it went through to the resistance zone. It was unable to break out from here, just the way we are seeing it. Okay, it was unable to break out from here. So it tried to break out but was unable to break out. Okay, it was even my trading bot that picked signal first. Okay, my trading bot started trading. You can see all the trading activities around here. So later on, it went on break before picking up more trades here. So I had to analyze the market properly for those that want to follow the signal and that are not having this trading tool. Okay, so I decided that if it breaks out at this point, then definitely it should be a sure signal. Okay, so I gave people, I tried this signal in the Telegram platform and I gave them through two major TPs, and of course you can see it achieved all the TPs. Okay, this was the first TP, then the second TP, it achieved everything till the very end. It even went beyond that. Okay, so this is 15-minute time frame. You can imagine if you had picked this signal and starting from here, okay, till this very moment, this will have given you a lot of profit. This particular asset actually gave us, I mean, the indicator gave us a sell signal at this point when we are this downtrend, and it also gave us another sell signal at this point, which are two major signals right here. And of course, you can see it sold till the very end. Okay, so this is an amazing opportunity. So if you are taking this signal, then definitely you would have made a lot of profit because you can do your calculation. This is 15-minute time frame, and we actually use the signal to trade spikes here. Okay, because all these are spikes. This is PNX 999. Okay, so all these are spikes. Okay, so that's so amazing, guys. Like I have always been telling you, if you are trading spikes with PNX, okay, I mean trading spikes on PNX, then it should come from the resistance zone and it should be when the market is on downtrend. Okay, so and you can see we follow the pattern from the beginning of the trend to the very end of the trend, and that is how it works, guys. Just make sure you understand the information you are being given, follow the instruction, have a good trading tool, and you will always get it right. Okay, you can see that with this trading tool, it was easy for me to analyze the market and put it into use so that we can get the best out of it. Okay, so guys, this is how we roll. Okay, this is how we do it. We will still be having more signals, more trading signals in the Telegram group today, so you can join us. The link will be there in the description box below this video. And if you want to have access to this trading tool so that you too can generate signals on your own, then you can let me know. Okay, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.